Hello, Joanna. Hi, how are you today?
Hi. Good, how are you?
I'm fine. So, are you ready for the competition today?
Yeah.
Good job. Now you will prepare your pencil and a notebook nearest to you. And don't forget to collect the hearts that you will get. Hello, Rancy. I'm just
Hello,
waiting
ma'am.
5 minutes. Yeah, I will wait 5 minutes for the other girls to join. Then we will start. Okay, let's start. Who will take the first question today? Banan, today you come the first. So you will read the first question and help me to solve, okay? Banan?
Yes.
Okay, the first question will be for you. So you will read the first question and help me to solve.
Okay, I read it right now.
Yeah, read the question.
Mariam had a piece of paper. She folded it exactly in half. Then she folded it exactly in half again. She got this shape. Which of the shapes P, Q, or R could have been the shape of her original? Can you
Mm-hmm.
just scroll down, please?
The original piece of paper.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's think B or Q or R, which part of them when we fold like this? When we fold, we will get this piece. How can I think about this question, Banan? At the first, I will try to fold everyone, right? Uh, each shape. I will try to fold this shape. So can I fold this 2 times like this? Then I can fold like this. You know, you will fold this rectangle to be as a square, the two pieces together. Then we will get this part, this vertices, up on this vertices. So it's gonna be like this, right? Now you will choose B, but think you have B, B or Q, B or Q or R. So I will think about Q also. Let's fold. What's your opinion, Banan? How can I fold this? Banan?
Yes.
Yeah, how can I fold this?
You
Mm,
fold it from the top to the
this,
bottom.
yeah, we call this vertices. So I will take vertex. So I will take this vertex with the other, and it's gonna be like this, right? And
Yes.
after that, maybe I can take this vertex and fold to be here. So it's gonna be like this. Wow, we get the same shape. So I will take B and Q. No, let's see R. What's your opinion about R, Banan? How can I fold R?
You take the top piece and put it to the bottom, but not the
One or
straight.
two? Yeah, one or
Two.
two? Two. Okay, so come and be here. It's gonna be like this. So after that, how can I fold?
You fold from the right side to the left.
So from this vertex to this vertex, right? So it's gonna be here. Now the answer will be A or B or C
Teacher,
or D or E.
I answered D. I answered E. D.
In the chat box I see. Good job. Who say E? Joanna, good job. Banan, of course you solve with me. So now you get the first 3 marks. All of you understand? Any questions?
No, miss, thanks.
Super. Okay, let's go to the second question. Rancy? Rancy?
Yes, miss.
Okay, there is a square with line segments drawn inside it. The line segments are drawn either from a vertices or the midpoints of other line segments. We colored 1/8, 1/8 of the large square. Which one of them is our coloring? How can I think about this, Rancy?
We have
We have what? Now I will take each fraction. Yeah. It's gonna be what?
this one, C, right?
C. So what's your opinion about the fraction on C? Let's solve this as a fraction. You remember the fraction lesson from grade 2? Up, the colored, and down, all. Now the colored is 1 and down. This part is the same here, so it's going to be 1, 2. We can divide this on the same, so it's going to be 3 and 4. So this colored part is 1/4, and we need 1/8. So no, it's not C. Let's think about another one.
It's gonna be B. B.
Let's think about B. Okay, let's think about B. To draw the same like this, it's gonna be to give you the same part. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 also down. So it's gonna be 1/12. No, it's not B. Let's try E. What's your opinion? The fraction on E will be. The fraction on E will be. We have 1 down, 2, 3, 4. So it's not E. Let's think about D. Oh. No, wait. Yeah, this. We are here. Sorry. Okay, let's think about D. Okay, I will divide like this, and the same from this side, and the same from this side, and the same from here. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now it's 1/8. Teacher, why it's not A? Banan and Joanna say A. So let's think about A. If I just take this part, so I will divide here on this. Now it's 1/4. You will divide here as a 4. You will divide here as a 4. You will divide here as a 4.
It's A.
So from this side, no, it's not A. Actually, it's Z. So I will tell you now why it's not A. Now, if I divide to give all of these pieces here, it's gonna be only on here 1/16. Multiply by 4 again. So it's gonna be 1 times maybe 64. So it's not A. You need to divide, the point here is to divide the rectangle in 8 pieces. So this is 1/8 pieces. If you get, if you buy a pizza from Domino's, look like this rectangle. And it's gonna be between you and your class. So you will take only this piece. It will be fair. It will be fair, Ransi, to give you only this as a 1/8. No, it's not 1/8. It's about 1/64. So, no, you will be sad if you take only this piece. If we get a pizza, I will give you this piece. So you will not be hungry. Okay, Ransi? Any questions? Any questions?
No, miss.
No.
Okay, let's go to the second question. This is easy. I will not help you, but I need to give you all the screen. So just a second. Yep, here. Now you can see the screen. Now I'm waiting in the chat box because this question is smart. If I continue this drawing, which one of them I will get? A, B, C, D, E. Which one I will get? I'm waiting. Only Joanna and Banan. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Let's see now. Time's up for you. So let's see who will take the heart. Banan, Ransi, and Joanna. Good job. It's B. Why it's not C, Ransi? Sorry, Frida. Frida, why it's not C?
I think because of the nose,
Look here.
the ears.
Yup. The nose is the same. Rectangle down. So the nose here is the same. Also the eyes, okay, the same. But look at the ears, not the same. Right?
Yeah.
Good job. Let's go to the second question. Any questions here? Any questions?
No.
Let's
No.
go to
No,
the
ma'am.
second. Good job, girls. Now, this is easy also, so I will not help you. I'm waiting in the chat box. But just to remember, the point or the dot equals 1. Each dot equals 1, and each bar equals 5. But I wanted to make this screen clear for you. Just a second, sorry. Now you can solve. Remember, the dot equals 1, the bar equals 5. So which one gave me 17? A or B or C or D or E? I'm waiting.
Miss, I write it in the chat. Teacher, I can't hear you.
Now you can hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, maybe it's a problem in the internet. Now, Ransi, sorry for this. Ransi? Ransi!
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now let's count. A will be how many?
Four.
A will be 6. And B will be?
B.
11. Yep. B will be 5 and 5 and 1. It's gonna be 11. C will be?
C.
Mm. Let's count 5 and 5 and 5.
15.
Because of the 3
15.
bar. 15 and 2 up, it's gonna be?
17.
17. So it's gonna be C or D? Because D now you have 4 and 15, it's gonna be 19. But C, it's gonna be 17. So now which one of them is the true one?
The true one, C.
Excellent, good job. Let's go to the second question. If anyone has a question about this?
No,
Anyone
Miss.
has a
No.
question? Super. Let's go to the
No.
second question. Let's go to the next. Yeah. Okay. Also, this question is easy for the smartest girls in the world, so let's start to solve. Now, a digital clock shows the time as 20 hours and 90 minutes. What will be the clock showing the next time and uses the same digits? The next. The next. What will be the next time shown with the same digits?
I don't get when it says the same digit.
Only Freda, with the same digit, the next number. Only Freda answered till now. But I don't know. Freda is true or false? You have 2, 0, 1, and 9. This is the digit that you have, but you have to write what will be the next time. Okay, Rima, you will solve this question with me. You know, the minutes, each 1 hour equals how many minutes, Rima?
Every hour?
Yeah, 1 hour equals how many minutes? Rima, 1 hour.
I can't hear you.
60 minutes.
60. Yeah, 60. So this is a minute equals 91.
Sorry, but I just actually did not read. I did not read anything because I'm kind of busy.
No, it's we only studying. It's not an exam. So I just ask you. This time is correct because this is more than 60. So there is no
No,
minutes
it
more
can
than
be.
60.
Sorry.
If you have a digital clock, you will find this number in any time in your life. What's your opinion? This is true?
I thought in America they used to have that time.
Okay,
Because
I
they
need
don't
the
have
next time showing in a digital clock. So in the digital clock, you don't have a time like 99 and 91 in the minutes. Minutes
Yeah,
just
sorry.
till 59. Till 59, you can see this number. But after 90, if after 9, sorry, after 59, you cannot see this number. So it's not correct. Now, number B, this is correct. This is the next time, Rima.
No.
Now, 21. 21. This is the next time.
It can be.
It can be. Okay. And now, D.
D. No.
D is wrong because it's 9. And 2.
E.
It's false. You know that the day starts by 0 and 0. When we see this is 12 o'clock at the night. And after that, it's going to be 1 and 2. So this is in the dark. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 12. This is when we have the last session in the school. After that, it's gonna be 13, 14, 15, 16. So all of this, if you have a 20 and you can subtract from a 12, it's gonna be 8. So this is 8 o'clock. Also, this is now 9 o'clock, but at the last of the day. So this 2 is not is not on at the last of the day. This is on the start of the day. So this is a mistake. This is before, not in the next time. Okay? You understand now, Rima? Rima, you understand?
Yeah.
Any questions? Why I choose C?
No.
Because only only Freda answered true. So Rima, Joanna, Rima, you answered false again. Ransi, Banan,
Sorry.
Rima, all of you now understand? All of you understand? You need to ask about anything?
No.
Okay, let's go to the next. There are 14 girls and 12 boys in a kindergarten. If a half of the children go for a walk, at least how many of them remain in the kindergarten are girls? Now, how many girls are left? Mashail, welcome. So you can join us now. There
Yeah,
are
it was a bit like
okay, we just start at 4, so you can join us now. Now, 14 girls, 12 boys. Half of them go. So, at least how many girls will be left? At least. Think. I'm waiting in the chat box, and after that, I will explain for you. But I need to see how can you think about this question. You can make mistakes as you want. It's not the exam. But in the exam, I need all of you to get 100. So now you have 14 girls, 12 boys. Half of them go to walk. So at least how many girls are left? I'm think between grade 6 and grade 5. Grade 5 win in the last week. So now grade 6 between Farida, we have Farida in the grade 6, Joanna in the grade 6, Mashal in the grade 6,
Half of the
grade
class
5.
are from like 6.
What?
Half of the class are from grade 5.
Yep, half is the grade 5, half is the grade 6. So the last week, grade 5 win. This
But I
week we
think only
need to
3 girls are from grade 5.
Ransi, Rima, and I think one another, but I forget. So now only Ransi, Joanna, Freda answer. Think 14 girls, 12 boys in a kindergarten. Half of them go. So how many will left? At least how many girls left? Okay, now Mashal can answer with me. How can you think about this, Mashal? Mashal, how can you think about this? Mashal?
Miss, now I understand it.
Okay, but time is up for Joanna and Ransi and Rima. Time is up actually. Okay, now Mashal, can you answer with me, please? I think Mashal not hear me. So, Banan. Banan.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. How can I think about this? At the first, I see the word half, right?
Yeah.
So I need to get the half. You have 14 and 12. So 14 and 12 equals,
26.
good job. And the half of 26, the half of 26.
I don't know.
Okay, the half of 20.
13. It's 13.
Okay, so if I don't know the half of any number, I can make it as tens and ones. So it's gonna be 20 and 6. The half of 20 is 10. The half of 6 is a 3. So now 10 and 3 will be 13. Okay, now how many girls that I have? Banan, how many girls do you have?
14.
And now maybe 13 come out because you need at least maybe no boys go, all the girls. So how many will left? Because you know at least. Mm. What's your opinion now? 13? Maybe 13 girls go. Maybe 12 and 1, but I need the least girls, so I will say most of them go. So at least how many will left? If you have all 14 and 13 go, so how many will left now? Just one. You wanted to ask about this? Anyone has a question about this?
Yeah. No.
Okay, Banan, you understand?
Not really.
You wanted me to repeat?
Yeah.
Okay, let's repeat again. Okay, let's read the question again. There are 14 girls, 12 boys. Half of them go for a walk. So I will take the half. You say the half, all of them is a 26. So the half will be, you said 13 till now. Is it true?
Yes.
Okay, now we wanted to think at least how many girls left. If you said 10 girls go and 3 boys go, so it's gonna be 4 girls left. But I need at least, so maybe 12 girls and 2 boys. So the left girls will be 2. No, I need at least. Now 13 girls go and no boys. So at least 1 girl will lift. If all the girls all the girls will go, so at least how many will left?
One.
Just one. You understand now?
Yes.
Good job. Let's go to the next. Okay, now this question. Which of the following geometric figures is not on this design? Triangle or square or hexagon or octagon or just a second, I wanted to show you this picture well. Okay, again, we are on this question. Now, which one of them is not in the design? Triangle, square, hexagon, octagon, decagon. Which one? Let's think. This is easy. Look at the figure. Triangle, I think we have a triangle. Square. I don't know. I'm waiting. Only Freda, Rima, Masha'il, Banan answered. Where is Joanna, Ransi? Okay, let's see who now answered correct. Rima correct. And Ransi correct. I said grade 5, you will win. So now, Freda. Okay, let's see.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. The triangle, I think we have a triangle, right?
Yeah.
The square, also we have a square. Hexagon, look down. This is hexagon.
Teacher, I think dodecagon is there.
Okay, let's see. Octagon, I don't found. So, dodecagon, oh, this is here with the 12 sides. So, only I don't have octagon. Who say D? Oh, only Farida? Excellent, Farida.
But so E is not correct.
No, E is not correct. So only Farida and Joan.
Yeah, you put a heart for E.
Oh, sorry. But now you will find the heart on D.
Oh.
Or Joanna and Farida. How? Look. Okay, I can zoom more. I cannot zoom more. No, I cannot zoom more. Okay, I will explain again and show you. For the triangle and the square, it's correct. No one say this. For the hexagon, also no one say this, right? Because the hexagon is in with the 6 sides. So now you are confused between the octagon and dodecagon. Now you have only this side out. So this side out has how many Rima? Rima, this side out
Yes,
has
miss.
how many? How many sides do you have?
What do
I
you mean?
wanted to zoom. I wanted to zoom more on you. So now you
Yeah,
can
Miss, I did not realize that the circles were the thing.
yeah, out. Look out. 1, 2,
Yeah, Miss, I did not
3, 4,
realize.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is a 12, not 8.
I thought
Now
they were
found,
circles.
yeah, now found you don't have any octagon on this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, any questions? Anyone has a question?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the next. Oh, this is a smart one. You need to focus on this question. Who will solve this question will take 4, not 3. You will take 4. Let's read the question. Laura wants to color 2 times 2 square of this. So each square must contain 4 parts. Now with the different colors, how many possibilities are there? So I can color like this. This is the first, the second, the third, the fourth. Okay, this is a first way, but I need another way. So how many ways I can color on this? How many ways? You must try and imagine. If you have a pencil, you can try to draw on the screen. It will help you. If anyone finished, just say done. Of course, I will explain for you, but I need you to try. How many possibilities can you use with the different colors to color this? And remember, you have to keep the square contains 4. No one say done? It was 4. 4 marks. We will see مشاعل. مشاعل say B. Let's see. Who else? Grade 6 or grade 5? Farida say A. Joanna say A. Let's see.
Like I think it's D.
Just right. This question,
I'm
if you
right
take
with
the
the
heart,
test.
okay, if you take a heart for this question, remember to count as a 4, not 3.
Miss, I write in the
Okay,
chat.
now all of you answered. Okay. Let's see. How many ways can I color? Now let's count who is the first. مشاعل, can you count? مشاعل, can you count
8.
how many ways?
8.
This is how many? 8. So who went now? Grade 5. Any question about this?
No, Miss.
No.
Good job. So let's try the next question. So Rima and Ransi, remember to count the previous question as 4. Now let's read.
All of them. Teacher, all of them.
No,
All of them
sorry.
we have to count it for?
No, only the previous question.
Okay.
Now, okay. The 6 smallest odd natural numbers are written on the faces of a dice. You know the dice with the 6 you know the dice with the 6 faces?
Yes.
So you have how many 6 odd numbers? What will be the first 6 odd numbers? 1 and 3
1.
and 5, 7, 9, 11, right?
Yes.
Okay, we will write them on the faces of these dice. Now, Tony threw it 3 times and added the result. Which of the following numbers cannot be the sum? Teacher, I will try. I will do like this. No, we have a rule here. I will give you this rule before you can solve, not to waste your time. Remember, when you add odd and odd, you will get even or odd. Who knows? If I add odd number and another odd number, Joanna, odd plus odd, give
Can I
me odd or
answer?
even? Yeah, you can answer.
We will get even numbers, like 3 plus 3. It will be 6. 6 is an
Good job.
even number.
But even plus odd, because you throw how many? You throw how many? 3 times. So at the first, you will get odd, of course. The second, you will get odd, of course. The third, you will get odd, of course. So now we say odd and odd will be even. And odd and even will be
Odd.
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 So now, which one of them cannot be the sum? Which one cannot be the sum? I think I gave you the rule, so now it's easy for you. Banan, Joanna, who else? Banan and Joanna. Good job.
Teacher, I answered also on top.
Rancy, top. I don't see. Maybe
At
it's because of the
4:42.
internet. I just found Banan and Joanna. Rancy, مشاعر. Who else? Now it's come Farida.
Miss,
Teacher,
you put a heart for D.
D is the question before. The previous question, Rancy answered D, so I give her the heart.
Oh,
But
okay.
now, yeah, now Banan, Joanna, Rancy, Masha'il, Farida, all of you take the heart because this is easy question. And remember, this is for 3 marks, not 4. Okay, any question about this? All of you understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go to the next. Super. All of you are ready today, mashallah. Now, the sum of the ages of a group of kangaroos is 36 years. In 2 years' time, the sum of their ages will be 60. How many kangaroos are in that group? This is a smart question, so it's going to be with a 4 also. If I explain, you will get a 3. If I don't explain, you will get 4. So I will give you 5 minutes. Sorry, I will give you 1 minute to solve. And after that, I will explain and give you the 3 if you solve. Okay? Now, 1 minute start. The sum of ages of a group of kangaroos is 36. And after 2 years, it's going to be the sum also. It's going to be 60 years. Now, how many kangaroos are in that group? How many kangaroos? A, B, C, D, E. Which one? No one solved till now? Now the sum of ages of a group is a 36. And after 2 years, if you add the sum of their age, it's going to be 60. So how many? Remember, more numbers, you need the operations, plus, minus, multiply, divide, just choose from them. Only Mashail answered till now, so I'm waiting. Farida answered also.
I answered too.
Joanna answered also, but it came late, sorry. Grade 5, I'm waiting. Mashal, you are in a grade 6, right?
No, 5.
5, wow. Okay, now only Mashal take 4. Good job, Mashal. But how? How I can get B, not E? Now Joanna will answer. Joanna, can you help me? Joanna?
Okay.
Okay, let's think. How can I think about that? I don't have any information from the question, only the total now, the summation of their age now is a 36, and after 2 years, it's gonna be 60. So I have to try from the chooses. Let's try. If the group now, all the group is a 10, so after 2 years, it's gonna be 20. Let's add their age with a 36. So 6 and 5, no, 56 is not 60, so this is a mistake. Let's try the next. Now 36, and let's add 12 times 2. 12 times 2 means 12 and 12, so it's gonna be how many, Joanna? Because each year they have one year. Each year they get older
It's gonna
one.
be 60.
Super, so 6 and 2 will be 10, 0, 1 here. It's gonna be 60. Now it's true. If someone, I will not say who, if someone choose E. So now it's gonna be 24, 24, and 36. And of course, it's not 60. Now you know your mistake? You understand?
Yeah.
Any question about this? Sorry.
No.
Any questions?
No.
Anyone wants to ask?
No, ma'am.
Super. Now the next question.
Miss, Ramsey, but I write B.
But after time, I see, but it's after time, right? But I will give you the heart, but this heart with a 3. Only Mashal take 4 because she answered the first, okay? Okay, now the next.
Okay.
Okay, now the next. Just a second to show you all the screen. Now you can see. This is easy. You don't need help to solve this. Mitchell paint the following buildings. Which one of them need the most paint? So you will get the area, the service area. Which one will take the greatest paint, the most paint? A, B, C, D, E. Which one of them? Think. Remember, from here it's gonna be 4. So I will count the squares. From here 4, and from here 4, and from here 3. So 4 and 4 and 3. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 here, 18 and 4, it's gonna be 22. That I will think. So each one I will collect how many. After that, I will take the most of them. The most of them is Farida answered. Who else? Joanna answered. Who else? Who else? Farida and Joanna? Grade 6 now. What is grade 5? مشاعل, ريما, رانسي. From here, it's 4, 3, 3, 5, 2, and here a 3. So it's gonna be, okay, Frida, you can help me. Help me to count the surface area for each one.
Okay. Miss, I write in the chat A.
Okay, I will
after
see.
that I write.
I will see. I will not write the correct answer till we can, most of you solve. Because it takes time to count. Okay, now I count A. So, Frida, can you help me to count C? 3
Okay.
and 3. Yeah, 3 and 3, 6.
And then
6
4.
and 5. 6 and 5, 11. 11 and 3, 14. 14 and 2, 16. 16 and 3, it's gonna be 19. You say C. So C is less than A. It's not correct, right?
Yes.
مشاعل can count B with me. مشاعل, let's count B. 3 from this side. Someone will ask me, teacher, you don't count on the back and down because it's going to be the same for all. If you count back, look from here 2, so all of them is 2. So from the back and down, all of them is the same. Only the difference is from the side. So let's count B, مشاعل. Let's count B. It's going to be 3. And the other side will be 3 also. So now you have a 6. From this side, you have 4. Another 4, 4, and 4. So from here 10, 14, 18, 22, but remember this is the smallest from this side. Okay, so it's gonna be less than A also. So till now A is the true one. Right, مشاعل? مشاعل. I think.
Yes, miss, I had a second. I didn't hear you.
Okay, let's count B again because you said B. So let's count B. 3 from this side and 3 from the other side. So it's going to be 6, right? Up,
Yes.
it's going to be 4. So till now it's 10, 14. But this is a small. Because up, you know, the length is taller than the width. So we can say the width as a 2 from a 10. So now it's going to be, we say 10, 14, 18, and 22, but this square is less than. So we can say this square as only 1. So till now, only A is the most.
Yeah, miss. Yeah, miss, because I thought that we need to pay it, we need to put for it more. Then when I read it again, I understand that it's not the answer.
Okay, you can change your answer if you found any mistakes, okay?
Okay.
Now you have to collect your marks and tell me who will get the gold medal today. Everyone, please write your marks on the chat box to give you the gold medal. And be ready for tomorrow. I will give you the best questions in a kangaroo competition. I'm waiting to collect more stars today. More marks. Rancy 23, Banan 15, Joanna 22. So today, Rancy, you are the first who get the gold medal, and Joanna, you get the silver. Thank you for today. I'm waiting to see you tomorrow again. So be ready for the smartest question tomorrow. From tomorrow, each heart will contain 4, not 5. Okay, Mashal, you know how much I love you. So I'm waiting you today. I'm waiting you tomorrow to come early and take more hearts. And remember, from tomorrow, each heart will contain 4 marks. Thanks for
Bye,
today.
Miss.
Love you.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for your time. Bye.
Bye, Miss.